All right, so be prepared. This is my first time ever throwing a boomerang. I just got it. So I'm gonna set this here. Try my best to throw this. Let's see where I'm at right here. Oh. All right, so it looks like I can go maybe that way with it, but I'm really nervous. I think I might, can I stand right here? Yeah, I'm gonna throw it like kind of out that way and just see. I've never thrown a boomerang. I'm just gonna like hold it like right here. See where I got it? Kind of like in the middle. I'm gonna hold it where the tip is on my shoulder like that, and I'm just gonna like chuck it like at a 45-degree angle, not sideways and not up. I'm gonna chuck it like that, so. All right, so I got it. So I think I need to put a little more spin on it next time because I just lost it in the bush. So let's see. I'm wanting to say it's up in here somewhere. I see it. So, all right, there's no getting that back. That's a good 9 feet tall, and I'm way down here under the bush. So that was fun while it lasted, and I guess now I know I'll never throw a boomerang again. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.